So, little Harbor Freight compressor here. This is the original air filter that it comes with, which I'll see if I can. They're really kind of crappy little things. Granted, they're better than what they used to come with, but I wanted to show the sound difference between this air filter and having nothing on it whatsoever, and then the filter that we're going to put on here, which is a Solberg filter, which for one you can just see is much larger, better quality filter. These are made in the U.S. Don't know that it says it on it. It says it on the filter element anyways, but we'll show you what she does.